How to get sound on Reddit app. Now, first things first is access your Reddit app account and make sure that you log into your account. Now, if you go to your settings by just pressing on your profile picture at the top right corner, if you scroll down and go to settings, you scroll down a bit till you find media and animations. Now, you'll just have to make sure that this option right here is autoplay. Autoplay animated images or videos. You'll just have to make sure that that is currently enabled or turned on. Now, if you go back, once you have access your Reddit app account, all of the videos that's going to be showing on this app is going to be mute by default. So to get sound, so let's find a video here. Now, for you to be able to get sound, for example, this one, as you can see that the sound icon right here is on mute. So to get that sound going, just simply tap on that to unmute, and you should be able to play the sound right there. So again, that's it. That's how you get sound on Reddit app.